Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to change your email address in the Zomato app. Just open the app, click on your profile in the top right corner, then tap on your profile, and here you can see the change next to the email. And if I click here, I will get a code on my email address so that I have to type it in, and only after that I can change my email, or you might get a code to your mobile number. It can be different, but um, do not forget, after you have typed the new email, do not forget to tap on the update profile button. That's basically it. I hope it helps.